Hi kids, welcome back to our innovation. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல 6th standard social science term 2 civics unit 1 national symbols lesson ஓட book valuation பார்க்க போறோம். வாங்க வீடியோக்குள்ள போலாம். Lesson is all about our national symbols. நம்ம countryயோட national symbols என்ன அது பத்தி தான் natural symbols இத பத்தி தான் இந்த லெசன்ல டீடைலா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. national song, national anthem, the currencies, okay, the national days like republic day, independence day இதெல்லாமே தான் டீடைலா இந்த லெசன்ல கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. நீங்க go through பண்ணி பாருங்க. இப்போ நம்ம book evaluation பார்க்கலாம். Roman letter 1 is choose the correct answer. The national song Vande Mataram was composed by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Which is the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana. Who wrote the most famous novel Math? Okay, Bankim Chandra Chatterjee. Mahatma Gandhi's birthday is celebrated as International Day of Violence. The color of Mahatma Gandhi birthday is celebrated as the International Day of Non-Violence. The color of Ashoka Chakra was found in our national flag, that is navy blue. The first flag ever flown after the independence is stored in Chennai Fort Museum. So first flag Independence Day க்கு அப்புறம் அது பறந்த முதல் அந்த flag வந்து சென்னை ஃபோர்ட்ல மியூசியம்ல வச்சிருக்கு. The national anthem was written by Rabindranath Tagore. The time taken to play the national anthem is 52 seconds. Vande Mataram was first sung by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee at 1896 session of National Congress. The Prime Minister hoists the flag on Independence Day in Delhi. Fill in the blanks, children. The national emblem was adopted from the Ashoka pillar of Saranath. The national fruit of India is mango. The national bird of India is peacock. Our national tree is the banyan. The flag, which was flown in 1947, Independence Day, was viewed in Kudiyattam. The Indian national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya. Kanishka started the Saka era. The longest river in India is Ganges. The Indian rupee symbol was designed by D. Uday Kumar. The chakra of the national flag has 24 spokes. Roman letter 3, choose the correct answer. Lion capital is now in Saranath Museum. The national anthem was adopted in 1950. Lactobacillus is declared as a national microorganism. Fill in the blanks. Saffron, courage, white, it means honesty and purity, okay. Horse, speed, okay. Bull is hard work. 1947 Independence Day, 1950 is Republic Day. Rabindranath Tagore, he wrote national anthem. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote national song. Pingali Venkaya, he is a national flag, okay, he woven it. And Mehanand Shaha, astro-psychiatrist, okay. Now you have to choose the option. இதில் இருந்து option select பண்ணி எழுதிக்கோங்க. Roman letter 6, match and choose the wrong pair. National reptile, it is king cobra. National aquatic animal, dolphin. National heritage animal, tiger. And national microorganism, lactobacillus, okay. Letter 7, Roman letter 7, choose the wrong sentence. 3 sentences are given here, children. So இதில் எது wrong sentence நீங்கள் note பண்ணணும். The ratio of our national flag length and breadth is 3:2. That is the right sentence. The chakra has 24 spokes. That's also right. The chakra is sky blue in color. So that is wrong. The chakra is navy blue in color. Then the national flag was designed by Pingali Venkaya. That is right. The first ever flown flag after independence is stored in Kolkata Museum. That is wrong. It is in Chennai Museum. The first national flag was viewed in Kudiyattam. Okay, this is the right answer. Next, choose the correct sentence. So, idhula correct sentence edun choose pannano. August 15 is celebrated as the Independence Day. This is the right sentence. These two are the wrong one. Okay, children. Next, Roman letter 9. Answer the following. What are the colors in our national flag represent? Answer is in page number 164. See, you can mark from here, children. The saffron at the top represent valor and sacrifice. The green at the bottom represent fertility and prosperity. The white band in between represent honesty, peace and purity. The Asoka Chakra or the wheel in navy blue represents truth and peace. So you have to mark up to here. This is the answer for the first question. What are the parts of our national emblem? Page number 165. The national emblem consists of two parts, the upper and the lower parts. This is the second answer. What are the silent features of the national anthem? Page number 166. See, 3 points are given. National anthem has to sung at a duration 52 seconds. Everyone should stand erect while singing the national anthem, and one should understand the meaning while singing. So this is the answer for the third question. Draw and define the Indian rupee symbol. Page number 166 under the heading Currency of India. So here it is given, children. You have to write this whole Indian currency, this paragraph fully, and this is the diagram. Okay. What are the animals found in the bottom of the emblem? Page number 165. See here, the lower part has an elephant, that is energy. A horse, it is for speed. A bull, hard work. And a lion, majestic. The wheel of righteous is placed between them. So you have to write up to here. From this point to here. What are the natural national symbols? Page number 168. See here, children. You have to mark this first recap fully. Tiger, elephant, river dolphin of Ganges, peacock, king cobra, banyan tree, mango. The Ganges and the lotus are the natural national symbols. Okay. Where is the peacock sanctuary located in Tamil Nadu? So answer you can write here itself. The peacock sanctuary is located in Viralimalai in the district of Pudukottai. Okay, children, these activities you can do by yourself. Dear children, Unit 1 Civics lesson we had completed. Book evaluation full-ஆ பார்த்தோம். இந்த lesson ரொம்ப ஈஸியாக தான் இருக்கும். உங்களுக்கு ரீட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு எந்த டிஃபிகல்ட்டிஸும் இருக்காது. கண்டிப்பாக இதை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நம்ம ஆர் இனோவேஷன் சேனலை இது வரைக்கும் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணாதவங்க சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. உங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கும் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங் அ வீடியோ. தேங்க்யூ. ஹாவ் அ நைஸ் டே.